This is the Lawnflite LS2200 electric log splitter. It is a 7-ton log splitter. It comes from Lawnflite and it's really good for domestic use. They all come with operators manuals which give you all the safety procedures, safety policies in it, and also instructions of how to use. So this Lawnflite log splitter is excellent for domestic use. It's a two-hand operation that you've got the handle at the back here that you hold here, and also you've got the button down here that you hold. So you hold both of them at the same time, and this log here will move towards the splitter there. So two-handed operation, pull the handle up, sorry, push the handle down, at the same time as holding the button. So this log splitter, as I said, has the two-handle operation, the handle to go down here and here to avoid any hands being within the danger zone here when the logs are being split. All these extra safety features are when the logs are being split at this end. If they split, then they don't fall out and there's no damage to be done.